Right, so if you have visited this video and you're looking for some sort of a ClickFunnels training or ClickFunnels University, I'm not sure that one currently exists, which means that that can be an opportunity for you. ClickFunnels really does lend itself to a training program, kind of an intensive, simplified but exhaustive training or university that one could put together. Now, when you first get inside the dashboard, there's these first 3 videos here, which are very helpful. I recommend going through in order to kind of familiarize yourself with and get acquainted with ClickFunnels. And then underneath the help section under the docs, which takes you to the knowledge base, there's a lot of helpful videos that can answer a lot of your questions that will come up. And really, again, this just kind of opens up an opportunity for anyone who wants to take the torch and run with it for creating a place, a training for ClickFunnels users. I think they might have some training put together because I think there's some kind of a certification program, but you might want to reach out to support for that. I haven't really seen that advertised, but I think there's some sort of certification program, and if there is some certification, I'm sure there's some sort of training that they put together to get you certified. But as far as a course or university or training and membership site that exists solely to teach people how to use ClickFunnels and how to create funnels and some tips and tricks, I don't know of one that exists. But again, there's an opportunity for you. ClickFunnels is a very fun and affordable tool. So, this is just a window of opportunity for anybody that wants to, take advantage of this and really teach and train others how to use ClickFunnels, because it's an amazing tool. And, unfortunately, most people that are using it are using for their own businesses. They're not sitting down and creating videos and teaching other people how to use it. But like I said, it's pretty fun and intuitive, easy to use, beginner friendly. So this could really help a lot of people if you decide to do that. But if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, you can click the link somewhere on this page and get signed up. That does come with a 14-day free trial. And what I'm throwing in as a bonus, if you do decide to take action and get plugged in through my referral link, is my Evergreen Empire membership training. So this is some training I put together. It's going to teach you some simple, scalable, and sustainable online marketing strategies, which include list building, product creation, SEO for videos and websites, as well as some paid marketing strategies. So that's what I'm throwing in as a bonus. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching.